Speaking of seriously loud jets,
There you go.
there you go. Have this huge
Don't they
monster.
have mufflers? Jets don't have any sort of mufflers.
Nah, just full, just send it out the rear. Yep, just dump
Much
it.
Much like TFG.
How big do you think this is going to be? If you had to have a guess. That big?
That big.
That's a pretty good guess.
Is it?
Try that big.
Well, that's pretty much what I...
No.
Oh, long.
Oh.
Long or fat?
How long?
Oh, yeah.
You like this? I was like,
Yeah, well, that's how wide it is. I'm talking about wingspan.
Wingspan? Oh, yeah, right, okay.
Yeah.
Well, there you
Jeez,
go.
it's going to be a bugger to fly with those little wings. Does it have bigger wings than that or what?
No. It's supposed to just go really fast.
Really?
Yeah. J-20.
It's not for aircraft carriers then.
No, this is a...
Just fall off the end like a stone.
That's right. I don't think you're going to be going very far off of a carrier with this. Intakes, you've got your canopy.
You do love intakes.
I
Don't you?
Modelers actually don't really like modeling intakes.
Really?
Because they're
I thought
so...
you loved it because you put so much work into your... One of them.
Well, one of them.
I don't know.
Yeah, they're so hard to paint. And
Are they?
everything. Yeah, they're terrible. They always have seams and stuff. This one looks all right, but still, it's going to be a pain in the butt. Weapons bays.
Would you
It's
sort of
currently...
like pre-paint it before you like assemble it?
No, because the seam line.
Oh.
You'll have a huge seam, and they're like perfectly flush in there. And it's just nightmare fuel. Nightmare fuel. Weapons bay. There's currently a person on Instagram building this, and it is massive, and there's so much detail. Yep.
You like it?
I love it.
MENG does some amazing stuff, doesn't it?
They do quite a large variety of stuff. You're right. You got a ladder going up to the cockpit. To the where, you ask? The cockpit.
The cockpit.
Otherwise known as the pilot's bathtub.
Pilot's bathtub.
Pilots.
Does it have an ejector seat?
It does have an ejection seat.
Because
Thank you for asking.
You know how I love the detail of an ejection seat.
That is the ejection seat just up here.
And
then
the
that's
fun fact about that is the pilots often break their backs in these.
Yes.
These have got a really dodgy ejector seat.
These
That
ones.
would smash their spines.
Oh, it's made in
that right?
China. I don't know about this one, but I definitely know that
You told
In
me
the-
on one of the planes.
F-111. F-111, because the whole module, the whole crew module flew up. It wasn't just a seat. You didn't fly out of the cockpit. The cockpit flew.
Came with you.
Yeah, that's right. You flew out with the cockpit.
With the joystick still in your hand.
Absolutely. But it was so much force, it'd compress your spine, and you'd be out for like a couple of months if you had to eject out of the plane.
Wouldn't they be upset that you stuck their plane?
Depends on what reasoning you have as for pulling the ejection handle. I think if there's
Well, you're gonna
reason
lie.
to.
You're going to lie. You're not going to say, well, I couldn't be bothered landing. You're going to say,
I just got tired.
I was shot down. No?
Well,
there was a battle.
story.
There was 10 of them.
There's 10 of them in
Yeah.
America coming towards me on a training mission. I saw them in the corner of my eye.
That's right.
Yeah.
I hit a flat spin at 4 Gs.
At 4Gs.
4 Gs.
That's pretty weak.
That's the only thing I know about.
Should have said like 14.
And jet
Gs.
wash. Jet wash.
Jet wash?
Yeah. Called the flat spin at 4 Gs.
Caught up in the jet wash. There you go. Yeah, I told you that story where they ejected and they were stuck in the desert until help arrived because they couldn't move. They were both stuck in the cockpit with broken backs.
Well, could be dead, so it's good.
And there's like rattlesnakes and stuff everywhere.
Oh, that's all right.
All in a day's work.
Texas rattlesnake.
There you go.
Is that all, what about that big thing?
We're gonna have a quick look at that.
Oh, you brought it in. You brought it in. Run it.
I spilt water all over it. All over here.
It's just shiny. It's added to the gloss. We won't tell people that because they'll think that it's water damage.
They will.
It's definitely not water damaged.
What can you tell me about this?
It's an Airbus.
And that's right. But it's not an Airbus. Like, this thing is like... it just knocked my drink over again. This thing is crazy.
Why?
It's huge. 172 scale.
Yeah, but it's only a small plane. It's an Airbus.
Airbus.
What?
Like
Is this a
A380.
personnel carrier? It's got no windows. I'd say it really doesn't carry personnel.
Military.
Military.
Yeah, this is military.
So what, they fly a tank in? That sort of thing?
No, not a tank, but armored cars.
Armored cars?
Yeah. This is the Airbus equivalent of the Hercules.
Ah.
The Boeing C-130 Hercules.
Ah, that one.
That
Yeah.
one there.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it's got like 20 odd stickers holding it together, but we'll have a...
You know what I love about Revell?
What?
Not much.
Not much. Their 144 scale stuff is really good.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah. This would be okay. It's probably from around 2015.
Oh, really? So it's
This
quite a
mold.
recent mold.
Yeah, it's a recent mold. It's not going to be too bad.
And what period is it?
Current.
Current.
This plane,
Really?
it came to Avalon last year.
Oh,
Yeah.
there you go.
Did
Did they fly it or did it get an oil leak and just park at the runway?
Well, it was German. It was a German one. The
It
Germans
says British
came.
on it.
This one's British, but Airbus is German. So the British bought these to use.
Really?
Yeah, but Germany have these as well, and a few other air forces, I believe. But Germany bought one over, all the way over, and an engine died on the way. So they couldn't fly it. They were just running on 3 engines.
But I'm sure they engineered like that, right?
To do that, yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
I'm sure they have a margin of error in there. And they wouldn't have been fully laden with cargo.
No.
They would have just been burning fuel for nothing.
Yeah, that's right. I think they had a spare engine with them.
Well, why wouldn't you?
Why wouldn't you?
Well, you're,
like
in
the
for,
Connie.
you're in for $10 million. Why not spend 20? It's fine.
It's all taxpayers' money anyway.
That's right, for all the plane shows.
But yeah, it's a nice big model.
Plane show will be next year, won't it?
I believe so, yeah.
Every 2 years.
Every 2, yeah. Not every year, but every 2. So
Biannually, I think.
Is that what they call it?
I don't know.
Is that what they call it these days? But this was a fantastic addition to the air show.
Yep.
This was a super popular model when they came here, and they are back in stock again. So I thought I'd quickly show that.
Yep.
Because this is a newer addition to the Hearns family. Again.
Yes.
Again.
Again.
That's it.
Return.